If you are creating a presentation in KeyNote, magic moves can help you to increase presentation to next level. Today we will see how to use magic moves in KeyNote. So now open your presentation or create a new presentation. To make magic moves, first duplicate your slide by right click and duplicate, or by pressing Command D. Let's say I want to move this arrow from here in slide 1 to here in slide 2 and making changes accordingly. Then click slide 1 and click Animate and add effect, then select magic move. You can change transition duration from here. Also resize and decrease the opacity to make presentation more effectively. Then make some changes in your slide like this. And apply magic moves. That's all. Hope this video is helpful to understand magic move. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.